20 AI tools for beginners you should know. Artificial intelligence is no longer just for tech experts or big companies. Right now, there are powerful tools that anyone can use even if you're just getting started. From writing and design to automation and learning, AI is opening doors in ways we've never seen before. And if you're wondering where to begin, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to break down 20 AI tools that are perfect for beginners. They're easy to use, actually useful, and most of them are free or very affordable. By the end, you'll have a complete overview of what's out there and which tools can help you save time, boost creativity, and get better results with less effort. Let's get into it. Ranking of 20 beginner-friendly AI tools from useful to game changer. 20. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 helps you turn blog posts or scripts into short, engaging videos. Just paste your text and the tool automatically generates a video with visuals, transitions, and captions. Perfect for content creators or businesses who want to make videos without editing experience. Many users say it saves them hours each week. 19. Grammarly. You've probably heard of it, but if you're not using it, you're missing out. Grammarly is much more than a spell checker. It gives real-time suggestions on tone, clarity, grammar, and even rewrites whole sentences to improve flow. Whether you're writing emails, reports, or social posts, it's like having a writing coach by your side. 18. Cleanup pictures. Want to remove objects from images without using Photoshop? Just upload your photo, highlight the area you want to erase, and the AI fills in the background instantly. Super handy for personal photos, product images, or content creation. Even beginners can get pro-looking results in seconds. 17. Runway. Runway is a creative platform that lets you edit videos using AI. From automatic background removal to text-based video editing, it makes high-level effects easy to apply. If you're into short-form content or online ads, Runway can completely change your workflow. And the best part, you don't need any video editing skills to get started. 16. Quillbot. If you need to rewrite text, summarize long articles, or improve your writing style, Quillbot is a great place to start. It's simple, fast, and helps you avoid repetitive or robotic language. Great for students, bloggers, or anyone who needs to write better in less time. 15. DID. DID lets you create talking avatars just by uploading a photo and typing text. Perfect for short presentations, tutorials, or training videos. The animations are surprisingly realistic and the tool is very beginner friendly. People are using it for everything from e-learning to sales pitches. 14. Pictory. Pictory turns text or long videos into short, social-ready clips. Just upload your content and the tool automatically selects highlights, adds subtitles, and formats it for platforms like Instagram or YouTube Shorts. If you want to grow on social media without spending hours editing, Pictory is a solid option. 13. Adobe Firefly. Adobe's AI tools are now beginner friendly and Firefly is the easiest way to generate stunning images with just a prompt. You type what you want, it creates it, from textures to logos to backgrounds. It's great for anyone in creative work, even if you're just starting. 12. Tome. Tome is an AI-powered presentation builder. You write your idea and it turns it into a clean, professional-looking slideshow in seconds. Useful for pitch decks, school projects, or team updates. Way faster than building slides from scratch. 11. Copy. AI helps you write marketing content faster. From product descriptions to social captions, you just describe what you want and the tool gives you multiple options to choose from. It's popular among small businesses and freelancers who want quick, polished copy without hiring a writer. 10. Soundro. Creating music can be complicated, but Soundro makes it easy. You pick the mood, style, and length, and it generates original, royalty-free music you can use anywhere. Perfect for YouTube videos, podcasts, or background audio. Even if you know nothing about music, you can get professional results. 9. Otter AI. Otter is one of the best tools for recording and transcribing conversations. It's ideal for meetings, lectures, or interviews. The AI writes everything out in real time and even highlights key points. Many people use it for note-taking, summarizing calls, or creating content from conversations. 8. 11 Labs. 11 Labs offers ultra-realistic voice generation. You can type anything and the tool speaks it back in a natural, expressive voice. Some users even clone their own voice for narration or voiceovers. It's becoming popular for audiobooks, tutorials, and storytelling content. 7. ChatGPT. If you're not using ChatGPT yet, now's the time. It helps with writing, brainstorming, coding, summarizing, and answering questions on almost anything. It's like having an assistant, a tutor, and a researcher all in one. And it's incredibly beginner friendly. You just type, it responds. 6. Midjourney. Midjourney is a text-to-image generator that produces artwork based on your prompts. From fantasy illustrations to product mockups, it can create stunning visuals in seconds. The results are creative, unique, and often better than traditional stock images. If you're a beginner in design, this can help you stand out fast. 5. The Script. The Script is an all-in-one tool for editing audio and video using text. Yes, you edit by editing a transcript. Delete a word and it disappears from the video. Need to remove filler words like or like, it does that automatically. It's perfect for podcasters, YouTubers, or course creators. 4. Leonardo AI. Leonardo is an emerging image generation tool that focuses on quality and style control. Great for product design, branding, and visual storytelling. Beginners love how easy it is to tweak images, change styles, and refine results without needing Photoshop skills. 3. Canva AI. Canva has been around for a while, but now it includes powerful AI tools. From auto-generated templates to magic erasers and smart copywriting, Canva AI lets anyone design like a pro. It's ideal for presentations, posters, social media, and more. No graphic design experience required. 2. Notion AI. Notion AI supercharges your notes, projects, and tasks. It writes summaries, generates action points, explains complex ideas, and even helps you plan your week. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or team leader, Notion AI helps you stay organized and focused. It's like a productivity coach that lives inside your planner. 1. ChatGPT Plus, custom GPTs, and finally, the most powerful and flexible AI tool for beginners, Custom GPT. Inside ChatGPT, you can now create your own assistant with personalized instructions. Want a fitness coach, a content planner, a travel guide? You build it once, and it works exactly the way you want every time. It's easy to set up, free to try, and opens a new level of control over how you use AI. If this already sounds useful, wait until you explore everything it can do. So there you have it, 20 beginner-friendly AI tools that can help you learn faster, create better, and get more done with less effort. The best part, you don't need to be a programmer. You don't need expensive software. You just need curiosity and the right tools.
And now you've got them.
Remember, in the description, you'll find links to resources and tools I personally use and recommend. They can save you time, energy, and maybe even a bit of frustration. And if you found this helpful, a like and a quick subscribe really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching.